Hey, Jeff Kelderman, Kelderman Air Suspension coming at you. Today we're going to go over our latest truck. This is a 2017 Ford F-350 single rear wheel. Good customer of ours. We just finished him a black on black 450 earlier this year. He wanted a smaller truck, so we're doing this 350 single rear wheel. So what we started out with is we're going Bravo series bumpers and grille on this truck. Got the Kelderman logo in front. We're playing on the matte black with the gloss black. So we did the Midnight Series rigids, which are a little bit darker here, so they're not as white. So got 20-inch rigid in the center. We've got our matte black monster hooks. This is adaptive cruise control where it's blacked out. Works really well with our bumpers. Three-piece again. We set the headlights and the side marker lights out the Eco Tint. Takes all the chrome out, throws the black in. Really tops off, getting this truck to play on the blacks and the matte black. We come over to the front here, we have our 5 to 6 inch Kelderman front air suspension with the Fox remote reservoir shocks. This truck we're running 37 inch trail grappler Nitto tires, a little bit different pattern than what we typically run, but it's exactly what the customer wants, so we'll build what tires they want to use. We're running fuel 20-inch wheels on this one. We blacked out all the badges. Again, gloss and matte black. John Lynch did a really nice job on the paint on this truck, looks fantastic. Got rid of the chrome on the door handles and all the chrome on the door sills. So great looking truck. For control system on this one, we're using the new airlift system. And what's kind of cool about the airlift system, it's got this app that it's not synced in, so it's not going to show any numbers. But you can play with this on your phone, run your ride height up and down. Helps when you can set up your menu when you're calibrating the kit. So starting to do more work with airlift. It's working out pretty well. Come back here to the back. We got the Kelderman 5 to 6 inch rear. Just our standard black remote resi Foxes. This thing's set up. This customer pulls a lot of trailers, so just loves the way the setup is hauling his trailers. We also had Lynch black out the rear tail lights. Take away that bright redness. Bravo rear bumpers with the monster hooks. Again, gloss matte on the hooks. And then we also have the matte finish instead of the brushed aluminum look. And then gloss black on the letters. Just really, really good look on this truck. So headed to New York. We get trucks from all corners of the country in here. So keep posted. We've got more trucks headed your way.